She's peeling off stickers and putting them on.
It's been there since 6 o'clock.
Jeez.
What did I do wrong? Am I going to jail?
Stop! You're gonna get tased! You better stop!
Right now!
My kids! I'm so sorry.
Put your hands behind your back now.
I'm so sorry.
Put your hands behind your back.
now, that's for sure.
6:40 in the morning, a Georgia Walmart, and a woman about to turn 99 cents into a felony.
Good. They're starting early, huh?
What she did is she pulled a lot of tags from the socks. She stuck them on the watches and stuff. And then now she's peeling off stickers and putting them on adult clothing. That's what she's doing.
She's been there since 6 o'clock.
Jeez. Maybe she thought if she got here early enough, y'all wouldn't be here.
Maybe. I don't know. How you been?
I'm good.
All the work that we have to go do just to go separate or fish out what was stolen, what was not stolen. Goodness.
So do you want me to go ahead and grab her and...
No, that's it. I guess we'll wait till she goes to the... I told them once she gets to the register, leave her alone. She might be getting ready now. She has more than that. She just put a lot of stuff back. I think her bag was like halfway full.
I was going to say the altering tags is enough for us.
See, they're on watches, on the jewelries.
1913 Central, I see.
A second officer arrives to assist and is also surprised with the technology this Walmart has.
Been here since 6 o'clock in the morning.
Good Lord.
We should both units back in service. Verbal only status.
See, that one, she added something on that. She stuck something in there.
Are you able to see the whatever she's scanning?
In addition to cameras, loss prevention also has the ability to remotely view the price of every item that is scanned across the registers.
See, that has a different tag on it. See, $1, $1. That she got late. Special that is 29. So maybe she didn't mean to go scan that $30. Call in, sorry, let them know, leave her alone. She took that $30 one.
She
Tag for
can
that
see you
boy's
live.
shirt. It's a boy's t-shirt for $3.98, but it's pants.
Walmart don't play.
This one, she didn't get a chance to go and change the tag on this one.
So is that stuff that she's not going to ring up?
Yeah, because she took some tags out of this clothing right here. She had more than that. She had more than that. Now she want to pay cash.
So are y'all just going to count towards her theft, the things that she rung up and altered, like the boys' tee? Do y'all do like the difference or do y'all do the total?
Well, what we do is we refund whatever she scanned, and then I will charge her with the one.
The full price of the
full
pants?
price, yes. I guess she's still debating what else do you want to take.
There's southbound lane, the Honda Accord can't get out of the roadway.
Yeah?
She left $1.
Alright, let's go nab her. Where's she going?
Where's she going? She's going to get a car. Yeah.
Okay.
Grab her.
Walmart Central.
Gift cards.
Around Council Superior, pulling carriage for jury traffic.
Why? Why? What did I do wrong?
Go speak in the office. We can go speak in the office.
Okay.
So, I'll take this with us. Or we'll just leave it here for right now.
Am I going to jail?
We'll talk in the office over here.
Loss prevention watched her switch price tags for hours before she reached a register. Altering a tag to pay less than retail value is shoplifting by deception. Georgia Code Section 16-8-14. No confession needed. The tag itself is the evidence. Modern loss prevention can watch the exact price scanned at every register in real time. That turned a swapped sticker into documented fraud before she left the building. Officers didn't read her rights walking up. They didn't have to. A brief investigative stop based on reasonable suspicion doesn't trigger Miranda under Miranda versus Arizona.
Have a seat for me. Have a seat right here. No, right here.
Do you have an ID card, ma'am?
No, ma'am. What did I do wrong? I didn't steal anything. changed tags, didn't you? I did. Ma'am, please don't press charges. I got the kids, everything coming up. Please, ma'am, don't.
You got your ID?
I don't. Please don't make me go to jail.
What's your name?
Amanda Barber.
Hold on.
Hey.
Oh, man. Stop! You're gonna get tased! You better stop!
My kids! I'm so sorry.
Put your hands behind your back, man.
I'm so sorry.
Put your hands behind your back.
that's for sure.
Well, get away.
Stop.
I'm so sorry.
Stop moving.
I'm so sorry. I'm definitely going to jail.
Stop moving.
I'm so sorry. Will I get a bond when I get there?
You grab my body cam.
Yeah.
Please don't make me go to jail, no.
You ran.
I promise. Please, the kids, the holiday's coming up.
That's on you.
I'm going to jail, ain't I?
Oh, yeah.
Will I get a bond?
Sure.
Today, will I get a bond?
Hey, hold her real quick.
Can I bond myself out?
Stop asking questions right now.
Would y'all have really taken me to jail even if I wouldn't have ran?
Well, you lost the possibility of not.
We don't know. That would have been on her. If it was just some pants, probably not.
Can I call someone to come get me?
Nope. You can wait.
Do y'all let people bond themselves out? I'm sorry I ran, y'all. Should have went home.
If you just want to put her in the back of my car,
No, I can go back in the car.
sit with her.
Can I go back in the
No,
car?
you're going to the car.
I'm sorry.
Have a seat.
Can I buy myself out with that money?
Look, this is going in your pocket,
Yes, sir.
and I'm giving him this.
Okay.
That's what you left in the machine.
Stupid.
She admitted it on camera. Then she ran. In Georgia, fleeing from police is its own charge obstruction code, section 161024. It stacks directly on top of whatever she was already facing. She'd already been banned from this Walmart. Showing up again is criminal trespass code, section 16-7-21. A separate charge before she took a single item this time. Here's the number that mattered most: 3 prior shoplifting convictions. Under Georgia Code section 16-8-14, subsection C, a 4th offense stops being a misdemeanor. It becomes a felony 1 to 10 years regardless of the dollar amount stolen.
I know Amanda Barber from years ago. She got caught shoplifting years ago when
It's
Mark
not her.
was still here. It's not her? It's not Amanda?
Oh, I don't know. I was asking. I might.
Public Works in around 10 minutes with barrels and other equipment.
But that's 2 years ago. No, but we caught her years ago when Mark was still here.
1913.
If that's her real name, Amanda Barber.
Can you try to get her name and date of birth again?
What's your name and date of birth?
Amanda Barber,
What was the year?
1986.
Amanda Barber. 1913 Central. Code 5 name, date of birth.
God.
Amanda Barber. 86. 86, white female.
I'm sorry.
Clear.
You don't have to apologize.
Holidays are coming up. I got kids for the holidays. I shouldn't have. Why did I do that?
All right, hang tight.
Will I get a warrant or a bond when I get up here?
Possibly, but you probably won't even get one until you go to the county.
Can I bond myself out?
I'm sure you can.
I'm sorry. Are y'all going to charge me with running?
Yes.
Is that a misdemeanor?
Yes.
What is it called?
Obstruction.
Before the officers able to leave the parking lot, police at the department relay yet another critical charge against her.
Amanda Barber out of LJ is valid negative. She's showing 25 PSF Hall and a TPO that states she is banned from Walmart on Watson.
And trespass.
Is that another charge?
Yeah.
Clear.
You're already banned.
Hard.
You knew you were trespassed from Walmart's. Good God. I'll leave this unlocked.
Is that her?
Yeah. She was trespassed already. So we'll get her for the trespass.
So you got, I can't access her old file.
I just have...
She was on our old APIS case. I remember her years ago. When her babies were little, she was stealing like makeup and stuff like that. And we sent her to jail 2 years ago.
Are they getting the amount?
Yes,
Right.
yeah, they're doing them right now.
It's too early for this.
Too early, you're right. And I said, this is such a dummy. Why would you go run? So why did she stop over here? I guess because she can't cross over there? I don't know.
I told her she was going to get tased.
Oh.
I wasn't going to, but they usually get some...
They stop.
Yeah.
She took off running. She crazy.
Too early.
Right, too early for that.
Am I going to jail? You are now?
You are now.
You actually had a chance to not.
You have more.
Thank you.
Got it.
You want me to do? Oh, I still have to do her refund. Do you want me to take an account for all of the tags that she tore off, or just the attempted?
Just the one that went through the register, and I need those merchandise too. The one that she stole.
Yeah, that was in her pocket.
Okay. So 78.86. So she's trespassed too.
Yep.
Hey, at least 10 years ago when they got her. So she's been coming in here. She looks different though.
Yeah, it looked like she was banned from a lot of stores, like Academy and I think Target.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I mean, but you know, we don't, you don't have to go burn anything on the disc. You can view our file.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, appreciate you. Safe out there.
Yeah. No more today. You did too much. Or at least wait till after lunch. See ya. We're good.
Like,
It's too early for this. What do you mean? Did you give her slides back? Oh. Why?
I don't know.
On the floorboard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah. That coffee's not really agreeing with me now.
Yeah, we get some more. I'm drinking an energy drink.
Yeah.
Want to get a bond today?
I don't know, ma'am. That's something that the jail and the courts deal. I don't do that. You'll find out when you go to Perry.
Take these off the curb.
We will when we get in there.
227. Has been hauled out.
Right here.
Out of Warner Robinson.
Court records confirmed it 3 priors, 1 in 2019, 2 in 2021. Under $100 in merchandise this time, 10 years in prison. Not because of what she took, because of who she already was on paper. Loss prevention earns an A- airtight surveillance airtight documentation. Earlier contact might have avoided the chase altogether. Officers earn a B+ patient professional every warning given before force. Amanda Barber earns a D. She had a clean shot at staying calm and asking for a lawyer. Instead, she ran out of options. The lesson isn't about price tags, it's about how a record changes the math entirely. A small theft on camera can carry maximum time once prior convictions catch up with it. And once you run from police, any chance at leniency runs with you. If you want more legal breakdowns of body camera footage, subscribe and drop your sentence. Guess in the comments before you see what actually happened. We'll see you in the next one.